Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Skibidi Toilet and a dragon as one character. So let's get started. All right, today we're going to go over how to draw a mixture between Skibidi Toilet and a dragon. So let's get started. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to pull a line right there, kind of a flat line for the top of the dragon's head above the eye. Curve down over here, pull up for the snout of the dragon. Back up, down. Pulling down a bit more because I do want a little bit of a hook there on the edge of the mouth. Line over here. Line up, down. Back, down over here. Back around the edge. Who are you? Gonna go up over here, down. So we got like some horns back there. And so one thing I want to do is I want to make sure there's a cheekbone right there on the dragon's face. And a line right here for the eye, right there. Kind of a up down, almost like a V shape in a way. Curve over here. S curve right there. S curve right here. Line right here. Curve, curve. All right, and right here, we want the dragon belly right here. So we're gonna draw this line, 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 that snake belly. Kind of curve with a form if you can. There you go. Curve with a form if possible. Line right here for the actual toilet, for the Skibidi toilet part. All right. Well, before we go into that, let's draw a little bit of a curve right here. You want to draw little bits of detail on this dragon. Line up over here. Curve. Line over there. And you're throwing little bits of curves right here for scales. And you can draw a little right here, tiny horns along the back. Right, as it goes down the length of the dragon there. It's just kind of like these little seesaw shapes, nothing really wild. So let's go over here to the toilet bowl. Up right there. Out, out. Curve underneath, curve underneath. Line underneath like so. Down, out, up. Line over here. That's going to be the bowl part. Line around here, kind of along the curve of the bowl. Gives a little bit of dimension, right? It's always kind of good to do that. Like I said, you want to give a little bit more dimension in general. Let's go over here now and draw the tank. So like, let's draw the seat, but the seat's gonna be, he's gonna be hiding the seat for the most part. We'll draw the line like right there for the seat, and it's gonna be behind him. And then we can draw the tank back here. Maybe like pick around this height over here. Out, down, right there. It's gonna be kind of the top of the tank at this point. So just kind of keep that in mind. Length across. Then we're gonna go over here. We're gonna pull down over here on this side. Curvature up. And line over here, line over here. Line over here, line over here. Line down around the corner there. Curve, curve, curve as well. Let's go back into the detail over here. These little curves just kind of signify scale. Basically what you're doing is you're, what do you call it? You are putting in, like I said, these are details, but they're like also indications of detail, right? It's not full-blown detail. Line right here. Curve along this side. All right. Maybe a couple of lines here. So we want to so we threw some tubes down here as well, right? You can tell, just to kind of make it look like a functioning toilet. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do two or anything like that. It'll make sense without it. But something else you can do is you can put the handle right over here. So angle out, curve over here, up, and circle. Line over here on this side, curve up on that side. All right. Line over here, kind of underneath right here. You want a little bit of darkness right there. And the darkness is going to be like indication of shadow. Line right here as well. You might even want to throw a little bit of darkness here. Those little dark spots accent where things are happening. Line over here. And maybe a dark line, dark accent there. Like I said, these little dark accents right here, they kind of guide you through the drawing itself. You can draw one here. Maybe you can draw another one over here, like some sort of shadow is creeping in right there. Line over here as well. But it's up to you kind of where to put those accents, but it is going to add to it in a good way. So it's great to do this sort of exercise. I want to thank you very much for watching. That's pretty much it. If you have a little, if you're watching at this point, please say what's up, how's it going in the comments section, and I will know that you got to this point. You are amazing. Don't forget that you can do anything. You can draw anything, right? Any human can draw anything that if they put their mind to it. So just stay focused, work hard, but relaxed, right? You're actually, enjoying what you're doing, and just kind of stay positive. And that stuff's going to carry you much further than anybody else working on this kind of stuff, right? Staying positive helps so much. I want to thank you very much. Yeah, and that's it. I'll stay here for the next drawing lesson. It's going to start right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.